a wooden apple. Let's cut it. Now a real apple. Nice and crunchy. Apples have a lot of air inside. A tiny strawberry. Let's cut it. This strawberry is so red. Inside is red and white. Smells so sweet. Strawberry seeds are on the outside. A big slice of watermelon. Let's cut it. Wow, the whole watermelon is so big. Fresh and juicy. Watermelon is 92% water. A bright yellow banana. Let's cut it. Let's peel the banana. Cutting the banana slice by slice. Bananas give you quick energy. A bright and smooth mango. Let's cut it. A fresh mango full of tropical flavor. Sweet and juicy. Mangoes grow on big tropical trees. A golden pineapple. Let's cut it. A fresh, spiky pineapple. Bright yellow and juicy inside. It takes over a year to grow one pineapple. A small, round kiwi. Let's cut it. A fuzzy brown kiwi. A kiwi, tangy and green inside. Kiwis have tiny edible seeds. A bright, round orange. Let's cut it. It looks like a sunny little fruit. Sweet and citrusy inside. Oranges are rich in vitamin C. Which fruit is your favorite?